wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave. And in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Your Girl Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous body wave unit. It is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 180 density and 24 inches, and of course body wave. Today I pretty much showed you guys how I achieved this no baby hair sleek look with some crimps, which is what I highly recommend for when you're under the weather, because right now it looks so cute and girly. So it's definitely giving me a little boost. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy tutorial, which is glueless, just keep on watching, and the links for this unit will be in the description box for you to purchase, as well as discount codes. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
While we doing our thing, moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Ay. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Don't not a vibe, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all, to me you're perfect. They gon' call again. Tell them that a real stepping in. Don't let them try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Go around, get you my last name. I know you tired of the ain't no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like peach tree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but you kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the ground, trying to see that in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 160. You know that's my season. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look right. Your body drive me, oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's for me and have my head stiff. Yeah, no fair, no cares. Because who wins? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why.
Okay babes, so I am finally done and this is a wig from Your Girl Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 HD lace front wig in body wave. It is a 180 density unit and in 24 inches. The unit is super cute. I just wanted to enhance the hair's natural pattern, which is body wave, because I have not done crimps in such a long time, and honestly crimps are such an easy hairstyle to do. You don't have to focus on precision and cutting layers and making stuff look right. Like the imperfections in the crimps is what's cute, or you barely get any imperfections because the crimper is just one size. You get that unified look without all that effort, and I am under the weather, so crimps we do today. I decided to do no baby hairs because honestly this unit does not need it. I just wanted to showcase the HD lace for what it is. Like, this wig is beautiful, and if you were to do baby hairs it would look great as well. So it definitely works either way, but I'm loving it like this, and it is in the natural color 1B. It's coming off as jet black and I am living for that. So definitely go get your hands on this gorgeous unit from Your Girl Hair. The links for this wig will be in the description box, as well as their website and a whole bunch of other links and discount codes. So definitely don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.